In this video, we will see how to replace the weather strip in our car, and this procedure is common for all the cars and particularly for all Maruti cars from Alto, Swift, Ertiga, wagonr, whatever it is. The procedure is the same. So these are the four weather strips that I have bought. Each cost around 220 rupees. Since all the four has got worn out in our car. So let me show how the weather strips looks like. So it will be like a long stick but fully made of rubber, and there is only one lock clip, that's it. So for the whole weather strip we have only one lock. Let me show you what this weather strip is in our car directly. So this is what the weather strip is, which is present at the outer side of the window. Okay, so this is the place which will not allow water or dirt enter inside the glass area. Since it's completely worn out, it will scratch the glass too. So it's always good to replace the weather strip if it's worn out. As I mentioned, there is only one clip, so we have to remove that clip alone. And rest of things, it's very easy. It's just like a normal rubber that sits on a rail. That's all. So we have to remove that from the rail. So since I have already removed the clip, the next part is to remove the rail. Only one screwdriver is more than enough to replace whole weather strip. It's such a simple process, anyone can do this. As you can see, as it got worn out and it's aged, it's breaking off. So I need to pull, that's all. So the ultimate goal is to remove that weather strip, the previous one, which was already present in the car. Yep. So as you can see, it's completely worn out. Similarly, let's remove the other side. As I mentioned, the clip has to be removed. It's a simple thing. Then from the rail, we have to remove the rubber strip. Anyone can do this. As you can see, even this side, one side of the rubber got broken. It may look like I am trying hard to pull out, but the actual thing is it's very simple. The content is we have to pull it out completely. That's all. Since these are some smaller parts, our hand may not enter in that particular space, which is why I am struggling with the screwdriver. Now it came out. That's all. Maximum 1 minute or 2 minute effort you have to provide for each side. Now we will see how to replace with new one. As I mentioned, the whole thing would be like a rail. We have to place it and press it. And at this side you can see one small hole right in the door. That's a place where the lock will come and sit. So once you place a rubber in the rail, the next thing is just press it. It will get locked. That's all. It's so simple process. Now let's see whether our window works fine. Yes, we are done. Similarly, we will place for the front side. Here it is. For the front side, we have to push a little toward the ORVM garnish. Slightly press inside and then the same process. Press the rail, lock it. So I'm doing the lock first, then press the rail. Now let's check the window functionality. It works fine. Now let's go to the next side. So for the front, as I mentioned, near the window garnish, we have to push a little. That's it. Now we can place the rail and lock. And similarly for the last one too, we have to do the same. So the job is simple. Anyone can do this. Just a screwdriver is more than enough, and it's common for all cars across all brands. So with this, we'll close this video. Thank you all for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.